In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Messenger notifications not working. Go to Facebook Messenger. Tap on this three line at the top right side, left side. Go to settings. Scroll to down. Go to notifications and sound. Scroll to down. Turn on this option, new friends notifications. Scroll to down and turn on this second to the last option, notifications preview. Close your Facebook Messenger. Long press your hand on Facebook Messenger app. Go to app info. Go to notifications. Make sure to turn on these options, banner, badge and lock, and play sound. Scroll to down and tap on this, allow all notifications. So by doing this, now your problem will be solved. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.